Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's get to some of those stocks on the move here, especially in the aftermarket. With us to do that, Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee. A lot going on. It's kind of been exciting to cover this, but let's start with Nvidia.
We have to start with Nvidia. It's just the world's most valuable company. So they offered still another bullish quarter that quarterly revenue forecast. The stock is up by around 2.8% in the aftermarket. So that signals, again, that the massive build out of AI computing remains on track. So this really isn't a shock. Investors were expecting it. I must say that earnings did come a little later. If you follow the blog, TLIV Go, usually it comes out at 4:20, and it came out a few minutes later.
We were glued to the Bloomberg.
We're just sitting here waiting for...
Ian King, he said there's a bit of speculation. Some folks are saying it's usually a sign of impending news, but others say it's herald of good things. But I guess it's the latter.
Oh my God.
So Fiscal first quarter.
So you get on the call with analysts and investors. You're like, so what the heck was going on? Why was this late, right? What was going on?
They also say that Jensen Huang's leather jacket is also a signal that some people take.
A Fed chair in the 1970s, Carol?
Probably.
Maybe he could decide which jacket to wear on the call.
You look at, the briefcase that he's carrying or the folder that he's carrying.
That would be great.
Bigger, right? No, it was
that
a
means
real
you've
indicator.
made it. I want people to dissect me like that.
Okay.
So fiscal first quarter sales will be about $78 billion.
Yeah.
That's higher than average estimates. I want to point out, though, the company yet again is not offering any positive on China. They said that we're not assuming any data center compute revenue from China in our outlook. That's according to their CFO.
But they are going to be selling, right? They did get some permits.
Yeah,
Nvidia
from the U.S. government. Check out all the details for that on the Bloomberg terminal. Salesforce, ticker CRM. What's going on there?
The stock is down nearly 5%. They gave a lukewarm outlook for sales growth in the new fiscal year, so not a good sign. And again, this goes the other way, fuels investor concerns about whether the company will lose out to their rivals. So revenue will be about $46 billion in the fiscal year ending in January 2027. It's in line with estimates, but I don't think in line is cutting it for anyone. They just want you to surpass and surpass and surpass. So Salesforce, they are the leading maker of customer management software. They become the poster child when it comes to Wall Street's anxieties about AI, when it comes to the impact on established vendors, because it is one of the leaders in the space.
I keep going back to this number. The stock is down 50% since late December of 2024. And so it's just been under a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
Right?
Not a great time, but it's only
Mark Benioff says we're well on our way to $63 billion in annual revenue in fiscal year 2030.
Yes.
Okay. That's a whiles away.
They also say that
in their fiscal year.
Yeah, exactly. That's true. That's
Sometimes
true. But still.
Isabel, what about Snowflake? SNOW is the ticker.
Yes, I do love that ticker. Stock is down by 1.5%.
Did you just do it because we're surrounded by snow?
I wish I did, but I'm going to pretend that I did. Yes, I did.
You reported
no,
earnings.
Ari asked me to talk about it. So we love Ari.
Got 20 seconds.
They gave an outlook for quarterly sales that was in line with estimates. Again, that disappointed investors because in line is in line.
It's not enough.
It's not enough. So the stock is down. Most analysts expect that sales from the use of AI within its platform is still limited.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.